We're trying to have a peaceful moment, and Gigi picks up this stick and starts twirling it, banging it into the gazebo leg. She whacked that bug with it on the way by. Gigi, we're supposed to be having a peaceful moment. Hello? Yes, I'll pick it up for you. Okay, we're not going to play this game. My word, little girl, you are a mess. You were just trying to have a peaceful moment, right? Just a nice, quiet moment. Yeah, she's got to make all that noise. But we love her. We love her.